Hello YouTubers, it's actually closing time out here, so I decided I'll give you guys a quick update what's going on with the Jacobsen. So far I just got done working on this head a little. This this little channel right here that channels all of the fuel air mix into the combustion chamber. It was a sharp and jagged. It's a little bit over here, I'm still working on that. But I just sanded it, made it nice and smooth so it can flow in and out better. I'm using a little bit of a Scotch-Brite pad and some some fine sandpaper so I can sculpt this edge carefully. We got the PTO side pulley cleaned. The oil pan's all cleaned and waiting on paint. I did get the engine back today from getting honed. There's a nice hone job inside. It's within spec. So now we're just on waiting for parts. Oops, sorry. So we're just now waiting on parts for this. Frame wise, I went in, cleaned and repainted some spots. I might have to reduce some of this wiring in here, like this old coil wire right here. I think it's, yeah, coil hot wire. This gives power to the coil, and my solenoid ground strap. I'm gonna redo it, and I'm probably gonna find a new voltage regulator and replace it. Let's see here. This is the bit inside the tractor that actually made it sound like a duck. It's a check valve, PVC check valve. Here's the actual cover, and here's the screen that goes in it. Here's the top shroud. It's got some bad rusting on it, but it'll clean up. It's clean. This is cleaned up, and it's a little rough. I'm not gonna do that shrouding. And if you've been on our Instagram page, you've discovered I've also found another two Jacobsens exactly like mine, minus the dual tires, paint job, and the winch. I got my new coil too and condenser. Also picked up a new spark plug. So where did I put it? There it is. It's all the way in the back. It's coil and condenser. I'm going to replace these two. There's nothing wrong with these, it's just reliability's sake. It's from iSaveTractors.com. Brand new high tension coil with condenser. Actually, no, it's from this company here. I thought I had some stuff with My Safe Tractors, but I guess not. Ooh, and it even comes with a new set of points. These are being slowly phased out. Everything's going to an electronic ignition system, which I wouldn't mind finding that for the Jake. But I got new stuff here to replace the old condenser, the old coil. Another thing I could replace is this what is this? Oh, coil ground kill switch. The spark plug wire is still new. I'm not going to bother messing with it. If I do use this bracket on here, I'm going to have to paint it black. Or maybe if I have some military green still, I can paint that military green. That's pretty much it. Also, tomorrow is the last day you guys can vote on our Instagram page for Fire Up Fridays. So far, the Sears is ahead in points wise, or votes wise, for Friday to be started up. We have the Briggs up, the Hot Rod, a stock, Wasp, the stock Huffy. If you go on our Instagram page, it's on there. Dipstick, I went ahead and refaced the edges. The key, I went and made a new key for the keyway here on there. So that's what's going on so far. I should probably be using some steel wool too. Steel wool will help me a lot in the final polish. I'm probably going to take my Dremel and a polishing wheel and really scrub into this, make it all nice. There's many videos on how to do this. One guy, he does a port and polish. If you Google that or look that up, he does a I think it was a Honda something. It was a car engine, 4-cylinder head, and he was shaving it, make it all nice and smooth to make it flow better, and that's what I'm trying to do here to help this flathead breathe a bit. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Friday is our live Fire Up Fridays. It's between 1 to 5 when it starts. It depends on what I get into. Adios.